Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So in case if you are new to our channel, so please subscribe and click on the bell symbol so that you will be getting the notification once I upload the new videos. So friends, in this video we are going to discuss about some more Java string based MCQ questions, and this is our second part video. So we'll start our MCQ string based MCQ discussion. So in our part 1 video itself, we have discussed about the difference between equals method and double equal operator in case of string comparison. So now this is a continuation of the same concept. But if you see our previous video program, so we were creating object of string s1 as well as s2 by using new keyword. So already we know that whenever I'm creating an object by using new keyword, always it will be taking a new memory. But now in this code, we are actually creating a or we are initializing the string object by using a string literals without using new keyword. So in this case, if there is a new keyword, then it will be taking a new memory. But in this case, since both are having same content, given cases also same. Since both are having same content, both S1 and S2 will point the same memory. So which means, so first let us look at the first line, string S1 equal to Java. Directly I am assigning literals. So now before allocating a memory, first of all it will check whether Java is already there or not, already present in the memory or not. So if it is not present, then it will be taking a new memory. If the content is already present, then it will be pointing the same content instead of taking a new memory. So this is a difference between the previous one and this one. So I'm repeating again. If I'm creating an object by using new keyword, string s1 equal to new string of Java. So in that case, because of new keyword, whatever it is, the content maybe is already exist or not, whatever it is, it will be taking a new memory because of new keyword. But if I am initializing a string object by using string literals, before allocating a memory, first it will check whether this content is already present in the memory or not. If it is present, then this reference will point the same content or the same memory. Right. So this is the difference between creating a string object by using literals as well as new keyword. So finally, the final point is, if I am initializing a string by using new keyword, always it will be taking a new memory. But if I am initializing the string reference by using string literals, first it will check whether the content is already present in the memory or not. So if it is present, it will be pointing the same memory, else it will be taking the new memory. So now I hope you are easily crack this output. So now since I'm initializing these two strings by using S1 as well as S2 and both are having same content. So which means it will be taking only one memory, and S1 and S2 both are going to point the same memory location. So first time in case of first line, I'm saying string s1 equal to Java. Just assume that there is no Java previously, right? So now what will happen? It will be creating a new memory. In the new memory, Java will be there, and it will be point by a reference s1. Second time, I'm creating another reference s2 equal to Java. Again, I'm assigning a literals, but Java is already present in my memory. So now what will happen? Instead of taking a new memory, S2 will be pointing the same thing. So finally, S1 and S2 both reference will point the same memory location. So now easily you can predict the output. S1 dot equals, already we know that equals method will check the content or it will compare with the content. Yes, both are having the same content. So I will be getting output true. So now S1 double equal S2. Nothing but it is going to check the memory location. Yes, in this case, both reference are pointing the same memory. Same memory location. So finally S1 double equal to S2 will be returning true. So finally coming to this program, option A is the right answer. So hope it's clear, friends. So one thing you remember that if I'm initializing a string object by using new keyword, always it will be taking the new memory. But if I'm initializing strings by using a literals, then based on the availability in the memory, if the content is already there, then it is going to point the same location, else it will be taking the new memory. And coming to comparison, in case of string, equals method will check the content, double equal operator will check the memory location. So hope now it's clear. Now we'll move the next question. Again, the next question is also based on string comparison. Now coming to this code, you can look at this code. First one I'm initializing by using new keyword, and the second one I'm using with the help of literals. Now what will happen in this scenario? What will happen? So both are object, both are going to take a space from heap memory only. But since it's a new keyword, it will be taking the new content. Sorry, new memory space. So this one is literal, but there is no literal is already available in my memory. So that's why both will be taking the new memory. Right? In case of previous program, first time this Java will be taking a new memory, and for the second time, yes, already the content is there and it is initialized or it is created with the help of literals. That's why S2 and S1 both are pointing the same memory. But in this program, so first one string S1 is allocating a memory by using new keyword, which means always it will be the new memory. But coming to S2, I'm initializing by using literals, but before this, I haven't initialized any string object with same content by using literals. So finally, both will be taking the separate memory. So now easily you can predict the output. Equals method will be returning true, but the double equal will return false. We are now both are pointing to separate memory location. Right? Yes, both are pointing to separate memory location. So that's why this double equal operator will return false. So finally, option B is the right answer. So now hope it's clear, friends. So now we'll move the next question. So the next question is related to dynamic method dispatch. So first one thing we have to understand, by default each and every class is a child of object class. Object is a predefined class from java.lang package. It's a top level class or it's a root class or it is a parent class for all the classes in Java. So by default, each and every class is the child of object class in case of Java. So finally, string is also a child of object class. So which means here you can look at the line number one. In line number one, what I am trying to do, I am trying to assign subclass object to superclass reference. Nothing but our dynamic method dispatch. So in case of inheritance, we have something called dynamic method dispatch. With the help of dynamic method dispatch or runtime polymorphism, I can assign subclass object to superclass reference. And already we know that string is a subclass of object class by default. So that's why this line number one will not give any compile time error. Yes, it's a valid assignment. I'm assigning subclass object content to superclass reference. So finally there is no compile time error. So now I need to predict the output. So one thing we have to understand here, because of this assignment, what is happening here, because of this assignment, what is happening here, this reference o is also going to point the same content because of assignment. Because I'm assigning the content of s to o, I'm not making a duplicate copy, I'm assigning the content of yes to O. So finally, if this one, this string, foo string will be the single content. It is pointed by two reference called yes as well as O. So if I am making a cloning, then it will be a separate memory. But here I am not making a cloning. I am assigning one content to another variable, like int a equal to 10, int b equal to a. I am assigning content of a to b. So which means I'm not making a cloning, I'm not making a duplicate copy, right? If it is duplicate copy, then definitely both will be the separate memory. But here, because of assignment operator, both is going to point the same location or same content, right? So finally, for this string value, I have two reference, yes as well as O, right? Anyhow, in this program, I am not using double equal operator. Maybe in the next program, I will be using double equal operator. So now we'll look at this code. I'm trying to compare this content of S as well as O. I'm trying to compare the content of as well as O. S dot equals O. Since S and O is pointing same content, so definitely this will be true. So finally it will be displaying capital A three times, right? Capital A three times. And in another if condition, again I'm trying to compare the same thing only, but by using different order. I'm trying to invoke o dot equals yes. So whatever it is, in both case I will be getting true because of both are pointing same content. So finally, in both if else condition, the if condition will be executing. So it will be, first if condition will be display triple a, and second if condition will be displaying triple c. So finally, option A is the right answer. So hope it's clear. Now we'll see the next program. You can look at the next program. It is almost same as previous one, but I'm using double equal as well as equals method. Now you can look at the code. I have an object of my class, and I'm trying to assign my class object to object class reference. So already in our previous question itself, we have discussed that by default each and every class is a child of object class, which means this my class is also extending object class, because object is a superclass for all the classes. It may be a predefined class or it may be user defined class. So finally, my class is also extending object class. So that's why this line number one will not give any error. Yes, it's a dynamic method dispatch. subclass object to superclass reference. So now again same as our previous question, because of this assignment operator, this both reference O as well as reference OC, both are pointing the same content, right? So the reference O and OC both are pointing the same or single content. So since both are pointing same memory location, definitely this double equal operator will return true, because O and OC both are pointing same content, same memory location. Same content means definitely it will be the same memory location. So finally the result will be 1. This condition will be false. The second if condition will be false, because both are pointing same location. What about this equals comparison? Since both are pointing same content, definitely the equals method also will be returning true, right? Because I am comparing a content with same content itself, right? So that's why definitely both if condition will be true. Maybe O with OC or OC with O, both will return true, because of equals method will compare the content. So finally both if condition will get executed. So initially the result value is 1. So now result plus 100, it will become 101, and again 101 plus 1000. So the output will be 11001. So hope friends it's clear. So now we'll move the next question. Okay, so you can look at this code. I have a class, my class, and in the main method I'm creating object of my class. Because of object creation, it is going to invoke my constructor. So in that constructor I'm initializing two string with the help of literals. S equal Java capital J, S2 equal Java with small j. So I have a condition to display equal or not equal. So now here I need to replace this command or replace this line with some condition which is mentioned in the below. So we have to identify which of the following will be replace this particular text, so that I will be getting a result equal. So first we'll check the first one. If s equal to s2, s equal to s2. If the first one returning true, which means s and s2 both should point the same memory location. But now you can see it is not pointing the same memory location. Yes, this is capital J, it will be taking a separate memory, and this is small j, and this will be taking a separate memory. Suppose if both are having same case, so then s and s2 will point the same memory location because of literal initialization. But here cases are different, so that's why both will be taking the new memory. So which means double equal operator will not work. Now I need to go for the equals method. So equals method will return true if both are having same content without with case sensitive. But here it's a different case. So finally this equals method also will not be the correct one to replace this particular line to get the message equals. But you know that coming to Java string, we have one more method for comparison, for string comparison with ignore case. So the method is equals ignore case. So finally, this will be the correct one. So this is going to compare two strings and it will ignore the cases. So without case sensitivity, it will be compared. So finally, this will be the correct option. So if I replace this line with third if condition, I will be getting a message equal. And the fourth option is a wrong option. Yes, we know that there is no method in the name of no case match in string class. So friends, it's clear. So thanks friends, thanks for watching this video. In our next video, so we will be discussing some more MCQ questions from Java array concept. So if you like this video, so please subscribe and click on the bell symbol, and also you can share it with your friends.